Hi guys, today I'm going to tell you how to set up voice command in Samsung A36 or A56. If you are using Samsung A36 or A56 and now you want to set voice commands, so let's see how you can do this. You just have to open your phone settings. In settings, just look for accessibility. Here's that, just tap on it. Then tap on interaction and dexterity. And here select voice access. Just enable it. Then select allow. Here just select agree, then agree again, select allow notification access, and here just enable it, or you can easily disable it if you want to enable this button, so enable the setting, but I'm going to disable it. Just tap on done, and then just select listen for commands whenever my screen is on. Tap on it, then continue. Then allow the voice access to record audio while using the app. Just tap on it, then select continue, then continue again. Select allow from here, then select finish, and here you can see voice access has been enabled. Now go back, and here you will get the voice access. Whenever you tap on it, it will start recording your voice. Just tap on download to download the language. Just wait for its downloading. When the download has been completed, you must have to tap on voice access is listening now. Just go back and you can see this is listening whatever I'm saying. So let's see what I'm doing. Just start from the main menu, and here you just have to say whatever you want to do. Open YouTube. So you can see it has opened YouTube. So now I'm going to say just tap on it. Go to home screen. Swipe up. Swipe down. So after that it will work upon my commands. So that's how you can easily set up voice commands in your Samsung A36 or A56. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.